In this episode, we will learn how to say "Are you single" in Chinese, which is 你单身吗? How to keep it in your mind easily. Here's my solution for you. Imagine that in a social event, you happen to see this girl and you have a crush on her immediately. You want to figure out whether she is single or not, so you came up to her and said, "Excuse me, miss, are you single?" In Chinese, we say, 打扰了，美女，你单身吗? The English name at bottom just help you to pronounce the Chinese character correctly, while the figure above it help you to memorize the pronunciation easily. From left to right it is 打扰了，美女，你单身吗? Here, 打扰了, it means excuse me, which we have learned in episode 6, 14, and 15, right? And 美女, it means pretty woman or beauty. And 单身, it means single. And here are some possible answers from the lady. And please refer to the following episode 71, 72, or episode 181 if you want to learn how to answer the question. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.